Welcome back. I used to work in tech and now I am still working in tech company, a big tech company in Silicon Valley. And I'm going to tell you something that's going to make a lot of Silicon Valley executives very angry. There are seven capabilities that exist right now that companies are deliberately keeping from the public, and not because the tech isn't ready, because the implications will be too disruptive. I know about this because of my connections in this industry, and today I'm going to share all seven of them with you. Now, before we get into this, I want to be clear. Everything I'm about to share is publicly documented in research papers, patents, and regulatory filings. These are conspiracy theories. They are facts that most people simply haven't connected together yet. If you want more insider tech analysis like this, subscribe now. Because honestly, the stuff coming next, even I was surprised. Here's the thing about AI development that most people don't realize. The AI that's publicly available right now, ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, these are intentionally limited versions. The actual capabilities of this company's AI system are significantly more advanced than what they let you use. Why? There's three reasons. One, safety concerns. Two, monetization strategy. They realize feature gradually to maximize revenue. And three, biggest reasons of all. Secret number 7, AI can already pass every major professional exam, not almost pass, actually pass with flying colors. GPT-4 passed the bar exam in the 90th percentile. It scored in the 99th percentile in the GRE verbal section. It passed medical licensing exam. But here's what companies don't advertise. The internal version of these models, they are scoring even higher. Google's internal testing showed their latest model exceeding human expert performance on 57 out of 60 professional benchmarks. That data is buried in their technical reports. Their data is buried in their technical reports. Number 6, AI generated video detection technology exists right now and is incredibly accurate. Companies like Sensity AI can detect deepfakes with 99% accuracy. Microsoft developed video authenticator back in 2020. So why aren't platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram using it? Why? Because fake content generates real engagement, and engagement means money. One social media executive reportedly said off the record that implementing deepfake detection would cost them 50% of their ad revenue. So they sit on the technology. Secret number 5, and this one actually makes me uncomfortable. Your phone have been training AI on your voice for years. Every voice memo, every Siri interaction, every voice note you send. Apple, Google, Samsung, they all have voice data sets that would cost billions to create commercially, and they're using your voice to train their AI models. Most user agreements allow this, but nobody read them. The real question is, what happens when an AI can perfectly impersonate you after analyze years of your voice data? That's not hypothetical. Their capability already exists. Secret number 4. The data that companies are correcting on AI-assisted developer productivity is staggering, and they are not sharing it publicly. Internal study at major tech companies lead to me through industry contracts show that developers using AI could assistant complete tasks 5 to 10 times faster. But here's the part nobody talks about. The quality improvement is even more dramatic. AI assisted code has 60% fewer bugs on first submission. If you are managing a team of 50 developers, and AI can do the work of 300 to 500 developers, what happens to the other 550? What happens to the other 450? I think we all know the answers. Secret number 3, AI drug discovery has already identified potential cures of disease that haven't been made publicly yet. Google Isomorphic Labs, funded by a $2.9 billion investment, has been using AI to design novel drugs. They have found patterns of compounds that could treat conditions previously considered undruggable. By here's the catch. This pharmaceutical companies are sitting on these discoveries. Why? Because releasing a new drug costs $2.6 billion on average. They want to be absolutely sure about the AI's predictions before committing that kind of money. But the AI identified the candidate in the weeks, not years. Secret number 2, the AI system used by major retailers and social media companies can predict your behavior 6 months before you make a decision. Amazon recommendation engine doesn't just support what you might want, it predicts what you will want, and it rises 85% of the time. TikTok's algorithm knows your interests better than your friends do. It's not just showing your content you like, it's shaping your preference. The internal data shows that after 30 days of the TikTok, user predicted preference change to make the algorithm recommendations. That not personalization, that's programming. And last, the most important one, secret number 1, artificial general intelligence AGI already exists, at least a limited form. Multiple sources with the top AI labs have confirmed that current systems display general reasoning capabilities that go far beyond narrow AI. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, said AGI could be achieved by 2027. But people who have actually seen what this system can do internally tell me it's already closer than that. The reason it hasn't been announced, 3 things. 1, they are not sure they can control it. 2, the regulatory framework doesn't exist. And 3, the commercial strategy is to monetize incremental improvement rather than releasing everything at once. Think about it. If OpenAI announced through AGI tomorrow their $80 billion valuation would be at least because government would immediately try to regulate or shut it down. It's better for business to release it piece by piece. Look, I know some of you think this sounds like conspiracy theory, but let me connect the dots for you. Every major AI company is raising billions in funding. Why? For technology that's years away, every major tech company is hiring AI safety researchers. Why? For technology that's not dangerous yet, every government is drafting AI regulation. Why? For technology that isn't ready, the answer is obvious. The technology is ready, they're just managing the rollout, and the people who understand this are the ones who will profit from them. So what should you do with this information? 3 things. First, stop thinking of AI as a future technology. It is a now technology. The gap between what's publicly available and actually exists is probably 2 to 3 years. Second, invest time in learning AI tools today, not next month, not next year. Totally, because the people who understand these tools will be the ones writing the rules for everyone else. Third, and this is the most important one for you and for me, be skeptical of what companies tell you about their AI capabilities. They will always understate that they can do it. It's their financial interest to do so. The real AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. Some people just haven't noticed it yet. If you found this valuable, hit the like button. These topics don't get recommended by the algorithm without your support. Tell me in the comments which secret surprised you the most. I want to know, and subscribe for more insider tech analysis that you won't hear anywhere else. Next week I'm covering something even bigger and bigger. Stay curious. See you next time.